Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll be comparing NinjaTrader with Tradovate. So let's get right into it. So talking about the ease of use, NinjaTrader has a steep learning curve but offers more powerful charting and analysis tools. The features and tools are best for custom indicators, automated trading, and deep market styles and analysis. Talking about pricing, it offers a free version but requires a license or subscription for advanced features, as you can see over here. So the commission free, if you talk about the different users, it is best for serious traders who need advanced charting and automation. Now, if you compare everything with Tradovate, Tradovate is a more beginner friendly and a modern web-based platform for easy access. It is best for commission free trading, cloud-based access, and mobile trading. And if we talk about pricing, it is a commission-free trading with a flat monthly fee or per trade pricing. As you can see over here, almost 0.35 per micros for the free one. But you can also get the lifetime one. Basically, it depends on the one which you prefer. So comparing these both of two, I'll say that choose Tradovate if you prefer commission-free trading and an easy-to-use cloud-based platform. But choose NinjaTrade if you prefer charting, custom indicators, and automation. And with that, I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.